Now this painting is pretty different from what we've been working on in the past couple of projects and lessons. But everything that we've learned how to do is really going to help us in here. So we've really been working up towards this. So I'm going to get my brush ready. I'm tapping it out, squeezing out the extra water. And I'm going to get a little blue on here. But I'm going to use the blue for the sky to be a wash of color. So here, I'm going to keep it very light. The nice thing is even though I'm sort of painting over the tree there, because it's a wash of color, that color wash effect, I don't have to worry about like the tree not being seen because it's so light and transparent. I can see through it. Now, in most of Jonathan Green's paintings, it appears that the sky is nice and blue and everything. It looks like the weather's pretty fair. But then also he paints the water blue. But this is where knowing how to use value with color is really going to help you guys. So here, the water is a darker blue. Obviously, I'm not going to cover that little island piece right there. So here, I'm using the blue in a different way because I want people to know that's the sky, this is the water. So I'm going to fill in these areas. So here I need to try to be a little more controlled, not overlap too much of this stuff since I'm going darker with this blue. Up there again with the tree, that didn't really matter because that was color wash. So we know with the color wash effect, the color stays very light and transparent. Here, if I paint over the boat, it would get really hard to pull it back out and paint it in such a way that we can see it later. So I don't want the paint to be overlapping onto that because here the paint is not transparent, it is more opaque. Transparent means we can see through it, opaque means we can't. It's more solid looking. So I'm going to paint the sky, I'm going to paint the water. The next thing I'm going to paint, a lot of you would be really excited, oh, I'm going to paint my person in my boat. Nope, you need to paint the big stuff, work your way down to the small stuff. So now I will be working on the ground. So in the next video, you'll see that I've done that, but you'll see some other three-dimensional effects I'm going to include with that.